Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're going to be making a simple kaftan dress today. If you're new to this channel, please remember to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Like, turn on the video and the post notification. So we'll just get right into it. So I'm using this beautiful green satin fabric for this tutorial. It's quite flowy and silky. Now when you're making a kaftan, you want something that has a lot of flow to it and is easy to wear, and it will look beautiful on you. And I have folded this fabric into four, so I'll just open it up. So I've got two folds, and then I've just got the folded edge on my end. This edge is also open. Now the reason why I did it this way is just so I can save fabric and not use too much. So this is about 2 yards and it's by 60 inches. Now the way I used to determine what this would be, I measured from my elbow on one side all the way to my other elbow, because that's how wide I want the kaftan to be. So that's the measurement I've got on here, and then I put it on fold twice. Hopefully that makes sense. So what I'm going to do now is, the measurements we need for this is just the neck width and depth, and also the width of your armhole. So I'm going to be doing 5 inches because it's not going to have like any zipper opening in front. And then the neck depth is going to be 2 inches. So I'm cutting the front and the back at the same time. I'll just bring it closer. So this would be 2 inches and 5 inches, and then I'll join both lines together. I'm just freehanding this. So that's how the neck would be. And then for the armhole, I want it to be 11 inches, because if I measure from my shoulder to where I want it to how wide I want it to be, so convenient position, 11 inches is just about fine. If you want it to be smaller, obviously make it smaller. If you want it to be bigger, obviously make it bigger. But for the purpose of this project, I'm going to make that 11 inches. And that's all we need. Now the length of this kaftan is 60 inches. So what I will do now is I'm going to cut out this neckline. So this project, it's very quick and easy. It shouldn't even take time to do. So that's the neck cut, and then I'm just going to notch this so I know where this ends. So what I'm going to do now is I will take this to my sewing machine. Now the way you can cover this side, you can either use a bias tape to cover it. I think I've done a video in the past with how to cover this edge, or you can cut an extra fabric, something like this, but obviously longer, like this big, and use it to cover it, then put it in on the wrong side and cover it up so it looks nicely finished on the outside. And for the armhole, I'm just going to you can two things. You can either use bias to do it, or you can just hem it on the armhole. So all 4 of them. Now the next thing I'll do after doing that is I'll take also, so right side facing, after this has been hemmed or put bias on it, I will just sew it all the way down and then hem the as well. So that's how the hem of the kimono looks like, and that is it pretty much. I would come back and show you how the end result looks like. It is so easy to do. All right guys, so I have finished sewing the sides. I've done the neckline, I've done the shoulder as well, and have overlocked it as well as the sides. But I've just left the hem. So if I turn it to the right, oh, I love this fabric. If I turn it to the right side, so that's what it looks like. So I will just try it on. So that's the end result. I'll just try it on, and then you would see how it looks on me. Alright guys, so this is what the dress now looks like. I'm wearing it just on one shoulder now, and it's long all the way to my feet because this is 60 inches long. And yeah, and I've just used the remaining fabric to do the head wrap I currently have on. So that is it. Right, so let me know if you've enjoyed the content of this video. If you have, please remember to give us a massive thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and turn on your bell notification so when I post any upcoming videos in the future you will know. And if you've got any comments, questions, leave that in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care guys, bye.